Good morning, children. Today is my third video for standard 5th. Okay. In my last class, I had given the definition and explained what a sentence is. Definition of sentence and a few exercises based on sentence. Now, today's class is on kinds of sentences. Okay. As I've already taught you all in standard 4, there are 4 kinds of sentences. The first one is assertive. Okay. The second one is imperative. The third one is interrogative, and the fourth one is exclamatory. Okay. These are the 4 kinds of sentences which you have to read in standard 5th. Okay. Now, starting with the first kind, that is assertive sentence, which is also known as declarative sentence. Okay, let us say assertive. Assertive sentence simply say or state something. It just says something about anyone. Okay, she is an intelligent girl. Kunal is a good boy. Rohan is a bad boy. Something like that. It's saying anything about anyone. Maybe a girl, maybe a boy, maybe an animal, maybe a bird. That is an assertive sentence. Okay, some examples are: Kunal is an intelligent boy. Farah loved to eat ice cream. Okay. Some more examples are: Ashoka was a great ruler. Sachin is a good batsman. Okay. Is it clear? Assertive sentence expresses or says something about anyone. A simple sentence is an assertive sentence. Now the second one. Second one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is that type of sentence which expresses a command, a request, or an advice. Second kind is imperative, which expresses a command, a request, or an advice. Okay, maybe a command: go out of the classroom. This is a command. Okay, now request: please give me a glass of water. Advice: you should go to the doctor once a week. Okay, brush your teeth twice a day. This is an advice. Okay, these are the three things you find in imperative sentence: request, command, and advice. Some examples are, I told you all one example of each kind. Command: go out of the classroom. Maybe come here. A request: can you give me a glass of milk? Please give me a glass of water. An advice: you should go to the doctor once a week, or brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. Now, the third one is interrogative. Interrogative means question. Interrogation means question. A sentence which asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. For example, what are you doing here? Have you finished your breakfast? These are the few questions as an example. An interrogative sentence ends with a question mark. You should put always a question mark when you write an interrogative sentence, like this. What is your name? You should put a question mark here. Okay, then it is an interrogative sentence. Now the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences expresses a certain feeling. Might be sadness or happiness. Okay, maybe joy or sorrow. Any type of feeling, if one expresses, that is an exclamatory sentence. For example, how nice you have come. What a beautiful girl. And it should end with an exclamation mark, like this. The sentence should end with an exclamation mark. Okay. Now the fourth one is exclamatory sentence, and it should end with an exclamation mark. I have given you the example. So these are the 4 kinds of sentences I have explained you all. Few exercises have been given in your book. If you have the book, continue and complete your exercises given in page number 10 in your grammar book for standard 5th. Okay, thank you children. Have a nice day.